The search for life beyond Earth has captivated scientists and the public alike for centuries. From ancient mythology to modern science fiction, the idea that we are not alone in the universe has long been a source of fascination and wonder. But is there any truth to this idea? Could life exist on other planets or moons in our solar system and beyond? In recent years, scientists have made significant progress in answering these questions. The discovery of thousands of exoplanets, or planets orbiting stars other than our own, has shown that Earth-like planets may be more common than previously thought. And with the help of new technologies, such as the Kepler Space Telescope, scientists are now able to detect and study these exoplanets in unprecedented detail. But what about life on other planets or moons in our own solar system? While Mars has long been a target for exploration, recent discoveries have also revealed the potential for life on other bodies, such as Europa, one of Jupiter's moons. Europa is covered in a thick layer of ice, but scientists believe there may be a vast ocean beneath the surface that could support life. So how do scientists search for signs of extraterrestrial life? One method is to look for biosignatures, or signs of life that can be detected remotely. This could include the presence of certain gases, such as oxygen, in a planet's atmosphere, or the detection of organic molecules on its surface. Another method is to look for physical evidence of life, such as fossilized microorganisms or patterns in the rocks that suggest the presence of living organisms. These methods are being used on Mars and other bodies in our solar system, as well as on exoplanets that are within reach of our current technology. While we may not know for sure whether life exists beyond Earth, the search for extraterrestrial life continues to be a source of excitement and intrigue for scientists and the public alike. With new discoveries and technologies, we may be one step closer to answering one of the universe's greatest questions: are we alone? As people continue to look to the stars and explore the mysteries of the universe, the search for life beyond Earth will likely remain a topic of interest and fascination for generations to come. In addition to traditional methods of searching for extraterrestrial life, such as using telescopes and spacecraft to collect data, scientists are also exploring new and innovative approaches. For example, some researchers are studying extreme environments on Earth, such as deep sea vents and acidic lakes, to better understand the conditions that could support life on other planets. Furthermore, recent developments in artificial intelligence and machine learning are also changing the way we search for extraterrestrial life. These technologies are being used to analyze vast amounts of data and search for patterns that could indicate the presence of life, even in environments that are hostile to humans. But the search for life beyond Earth is not just a scientific endeavor. It also has important philosophical and existential implications. The discovery of extraterrestrial life, especially intelligent life, would fundamentally alter our understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe. It could also raise questions about the nature of life itself and what it means to be alive. Is life a rare and precious phenomenon, or is it a natural consequence of the physical and chemical processes that govern the universe? These are questions that scientists and philosophers will continue to grapple with as the search for life beyond Earth continues. Despite the challenges and uncertainties, the search for life beyond Earth remains one of the most exciting and important scientific quests of our time. As our technology and understanding of the universe continue to advance, we may one day find ourselves face to face with extraterrestrial life, forever changing our perspective on the cosmos and our place within it. One of the most intriguing aspects of the search for life beyond Earth is the possibility of discovering forms of life that are radically different from anything we know on Earth. Scientists have speculated about the existence of weird life that could be based on alternative biochemistry, such as using liquid methane instead of water as a solvent, or relying on completely different sets of chemical reactions. Furthermore, the discovery of extraterrestrial life could have profound implications for our understanding of the origins of life on Earth. If life is found on other planets or moons, it could suggest that the development of life is not a rare event, but rather a natural consequence of the universe's physical and chemical laws. But the search for life beyond Earth is not just about scientific discovery. It also captures the imagination and curiosity of people all around the world. It taps into our innate sense of wonder and desire to explore the unknown. Many people are drawn to the idea of discovering intelligent alien civilizations and communicating with them, or even traveling to other star systems to meet them in person. The prospect of making contact with extraterrestrial life has been the subject of countless books, movies, and TV shows, inspiring generations of people to pursue careers in science and engineering. In the end, the search for life beyond Earth is more than just a scientific quest. It is a reflection of our deepest human aspirations and our unquenchable thirst for knowledge and understanding of the world around us.